Oh no, that's no good, is it? That's only been outside for a little bit. A corrosion on the resistors there. I'll give it a little clean up. I need to get some conformal coating really. Yeah. See the copper oxide, the green. But I'm still having problems with the high humidity killing these sensors. So yeah, it's a tricky one. Well, let's give that a clean up. I'll order some conformal coating, maybe that'll help a little bit. It is in a little housing, but it's just the humidity. And then being baked in the sun, and then, you know, you got thermal cycling, you got the sun, you got all sorts of things going on. It gets really sweaty. Even if I put the silica gel packs in there. Soldering on the roof's always fun. Just plugged it into a LiPo. Soldering on the roof. So that is there. I've got to buy some conformal coating because it's just causing me problems, or I might just not bother. One or the other. I'll put it in its little container, and then we'll see what happens with the corrosion. I just quickly put a bit of that on the circuit board with a cotton bud, so I didn't like spray it all over it, but that's supposed to stop rockets going rusty, so you know. It might be broken, that sensor, I'm not 100% sure until I have a look. But yeah, humidity is causing me all sorts of problems. It's lovely colours though, check out the autumn leaves. Okay, so now we're back inside. It's a bit noisy outside on the roof. Right, let's have a look. Temperature's come up. That's good. So we must have repaired something. Air pressure's come up. You have to bear in mind this app, it's all new, isn't it? So some things are a bit glitchy. So we're seeing temperature now. Yay! And air pressure. That's good. The it's too grey now to make any power from the solar panel here. Oh, that's really good. Again, I don't know why it's not showing the air pressure on this screen, but it's showing us some data. If we go in here. Oh yeah, look, you can see where the humidity hit 100% and it obviously shorted out the sensor. And then for a day, it's been broken. And that, oh, it was the corrosion, wasn't it? Sorry. So it was either water inside the sensor or corrosion between the resistors. Probably the corrosion between the resistors. Well, I've cleaned it up now. Sensor's coming back up, so it's not broken. It just needed a bit of love, that's all. Yeah, I'll get some conformal coating and work out how to measure high humidity. It's a bit of an awkward one.